Yo, what's up guys, this is Alias, and in this video I will show you how to make this really cool looking fire text animation with some sparks, as we can see. And it's really simple, we just need the free plugin Saber, which I will put in the description, but otherwise, yeah, let's go. So first of all, just create a new text. I'll just type in text as an example and scale it up. So yeah, just like this. And then let's go to the align tab on the right and just align it to the center, so it will be right in the middle. And yeah, now we can just create a new solid, and on this layer we have to apply our saber effect, so not on the text layer but on the solid layer. So just search for saber in the effects tab and apply it. And now we have to go to customize core and change the core type from saber to text layer. And now we can select our text. And let's select some nice preset, and of course for this tutorial we will use a fire preset, but maybe we have to adjust it a bit, so because it looks really strong. So just turn on the core size to like 2 maybe, and the glow intensity to like 20%. And yeah, I think this will work, and as we can see, this looks really cool. And also, if we have a background, we have to go to render settings and change the composite settings from black to transparent, so we can actually see our background. And yeah, if we do this, we also have to make the text layer invisible, so we won't see that. And now we already have this really cool thing, but as we just saw in this composition, we also have some nice spark effects, and we will do this now as well. So just create a new solid again, and we have to search for the effect that's called particle world and just apply it. And as we can see, we have a lot of work to do with the settings, because yeah, this looks stupid. So just go to particle, let's go to producer actually, and just decrease the height and increase the width. Oh no, not like this, but like this. And yeah, it's difficult to see, but we have to basically adjust this thing to be on top of the text. So yeah, just make this really small, maybe even smaller, and just move it upwards a bit, so it will be just on top, like this. And now we can go to physics and change the animation type from explosive to fire, and now it just goes upside. But these are way too many particles, so turn on the birth rate to something like this. Okay, this is not enough, maybe this. And yeah, this should work. But yeah, we can also make this more realistic, because as you can see, it looks a bit weird in contrast to the really detailed looking fire effect that we have on the text. So let's add some more effects, like the glow effect for example, and adjust the settings a bit. So just turn off the radius to like 50, and yeah, this should work. This already looks way better in my opinion. And we can also add a fractal noise effect to give it a little bit more shadows and depth. And yeah, but we also have to adjust a few settings here. So first of all, bring up the contrast to like 200, just like this. And we can also, to get our nice color back, apply the tritone effect. And just put in just like orange values again. So the shadows should be quite dark, so select a dark orange. Just like, not too dark maybe. And also change the midtones to like something in the middle. like this, and the highlight should be quite bright. Maybe not too bright, but like this. And yeah, this looks good, but let's also maybe bring down the opacity of these particles a bit. So go to the particle world effects tab again and change the maximum opacity to like 50, just like this. And now I also like some blur on these particles, so add some Gaussian blur, just like this, and turn up the value to like, maybe 3, something, 3, 4, just so they're like blurred a bit. And then we can see this looks really cool actually. And maybe, there's still a lot of particles, so maybe we can turn down the birth rate even more, maybe like this. Okay, now it will just vanish, so we have to stick with this one. But you can also change these values here a bit. So if you want the gravity to be maybe a little bit not so fast, you can play around with this setting. But actually I like the preset. But what we can do maybe is to go to extras and adjust this setting a bit to like 50 or 60%. And now we can see the particles get like a little bit darker when they go up, or just vanish all in one. So we'll give it some nice value as well. And I think this looks good, but as we can see, somehow there are now some particles that are above the text. So let's actually move down the position again a bit. So it will be just here. And that's it basically. I think this looks really cool, but of course you can just adjust all settings to whatever you like. But this is the basis, I guess. And that's it.